Welcome to Amin for Business YouTube channel. Viewers, subscribe our channel and press the bell icon button for information. You get notification. Today in this video, I will show to you AC filter for air compressor. This model E350 and 2000, mostly E350 coming this filter. This model 2011 28/9 delivery date, and I will show to you how can you find AC filter from the catalog, and what is the picture of AC filter, and where you can find from the vehicle. So first of all, we will go to put here 17 digit chassis number here, and after that we will make press. It will come like this list, and then we will go group number 83, and it's related to heating and ventilation system. We will press here. After that we will see like list of these items here, groups by groups. So we will press first page, and there we will see lots of items like expansion wall, evaporator, and related items for the AC. But in this video we need to check AC filter for E350 models, and so this one, if you can see this cursor on this item number 1110 combination filter, the language of the Mercedes Benz name, the name of combination filter. When you will click here, it will be appear the part number here, and you can find from the easily from the catalog. So I will show to you how is the picture of this item. We will press right click and we will copy this item, and after this we will open Google Chrome, and we will put this part number here for a combination filter. So it will appear like this. This is A350 combination filter, this one. Mostly people calling this item AC filter, and is the normal languages, but the Mercedes Benz language combination filter. If you can say easily combination filter, it's enough, but mostly people using this name AC filter. So I hope you understand how is AC filter, and where you can find and what is the picture of AC filter combination filter E350 212 model. So I hope you like this video, and please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon button for more information videos notification. So thank you very much for watching this video. Goodbye.